earn job. Earning money in a deterministic and consistent manner for every second of work can be challenging, as it depends on various factors such as the type of work, market conditions, and personal skills. 1. Freelance writing, writing articles, blog posts, or website content for clients. 2. Online tutoring, providing academic or language tutoring services through online platforms. 3. Virtual assistant, assisting clients remotely with administrative tasks, scheduling, or research. 4. Transcription services, converting audio or video recordings into written form. 5. Social media management, managing social media accounts for individuals or businesses. 6. Graphic design, creating visual content such as logos, banners, or illustrations. 7. Web development, building and maintaining websites for clients. 8. Data entry, entering and organizing data for companies or organizations. 9. Online surveys, participating in paid online surveys or market research studies. 10. Content creation, creating and monetizing online content through platforms like YouTube or podcasts. 11. App or software development, building mobile apps or software solutions for clients. 12. Virtual event planning, assisting in organizing and managing virtual conferences, webinars, or workshops. 13. Language translation, providing translation services for documents or communication. 14. Video editing, editing and enhancing videos for clients or content creators. 15. Online marketplace selling, selling products or services on platforms like etc., eBay, or Amazon. 16. Copywriting, writing persuasive and engaging content for advertisements or marketing materials. 17. Online coaching or consulting, providing expertise and guidance to clients in various fields, such as fitness, career, or personal development. 18. Proofreading and editing, reviewing and correcting written content for grammar, spelling, and clarity. 19. Voiceover work, recording voiceovers for commercials, videos, audiobooks, or animations. 20. Social media marketing, managing and promoting brands or businesses through social media channels. 21. SEO, search engine optimization, services, optimizing websites to improve their visibility and ranking in search engine results. 22. Affiliate marketing, promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or referral made through your unique link. 23. Event photography, capturing photographs at weddings, parties, or corporate events. 24. Stock photography, selling your photographs on stock image websites. 25. Online course creation, developing and selling educational courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 26. Virtual reality, VR, content creation, designing and creating immersive virtual reality experiences. 27. Mobile app testing, testing and providing feedback on mobile applications. 28. Language teaching, teaching languages to non-native speakers through online platforms or language schools. 29. Pet sitting or dog walking, providing care and exercise for pets while their owners are away. 30. Podcast production, assisting in recording, editing, and publishing podcasts. 31. Social media influencer, building a following on social media platforms and partnering with brands for sponsored posts or endorsements. 32. Event planning and coordination, organizing and managing various types of events, such as weddings, conferences, or parties. 33. Online research, conducting research and compiling information on specific topics for clients. 34. Interior design, providing design consultations and recommendations for residential or commercial spaces. 35. Virtual reality, VR, game development, creating interactive games for virtual reality platforms. 36. Medical transcription, transcribing medical records and dictations for healthcare professionals. 37. Mystery shopping, evaluating and providing feedback on the quality of customer service at various establishments. 38. Language localization, adapting and translating content to suit specific languages or cultures. 39. Life coaching, providing guidance and support to individuals in achieving personal or professional goals. 40. Online marketing campaigns, creating and managing digital marketing campaigns for businesses. 41. Data analysis, analyzing and interpreting data to provide insights and recommendations. 42. Social media advertising, creating and managing paid advertising campaigns on social media platforms. 43. Event ticket sales, selling tickets for concerts, sports events, or theater performances. 44. Proof of concept development, creating prototypes or demos to showcase the feasibility of a product or idea. 45. Market research, conducting surveys and analyzing market trends to gather insights for businesses. 46. Language interpretation, providing real-time interpretation services for meetings, conferences, or events. 47. Travel planning, assisting individuals or groups in planning and arranging travel itineraries. 48. Video game streaming, streaming and commentating on gameplay through platforms like Twitch. 49. Data entry verification, ensuring accuracy and completeness of data entered into systems or databases. 50. Online reputation management, monitoring and managing online reputation for individuals or businesses. 51. User experience, UX, design, improving the usability and user satisfaction of websites or applications. 52. Financial planning, providing financial advice and assistance with budgeting, investments, or retirement planning. 53. Grant writing, writing proposals and applications for grants from funding organizations. 54. Language proofreading, checking and correcting written content for grammar, syntax, and style in specific languages. 55. Resume writing, creating or optimizing resumes and cover letters for job seekers. 56. Home organization, helping individuals declutter and organize their living spaces. 57. Podcast editing, editing and enhancing audio recordings for podcasts. 58. Video captioning, adding captions or subtitles to videos for accessibility or language purposes. 59. Branding and logo design, creating unique visual identities and logos for businesses or individuals. 60. Content strategy, developing strategies for creating and distributing content to reach target audiences. 61. Business plan writing, crafting comprehensive business plans for startups or entrepreneurs. 62. E-commerce store setup, assisting in setting up and managing online stores using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. 63. Virtual reality, VR, architectural visualization, creating virtual tours and 3D models of architectural designs. 64. Video production, shooting and editing videos for various purposes, such as commercials or promotional content. 65. Foreign language transcription, transcribing audio or video content in languages other than your native language. 66. Social media content creation, developing engaging and visually appealing content for social media platforms. 67. Academic tutoring, providing assistance and support in specific subjects or academic disciplines. 68. Research paper writing, helping students or researchers with writing and editing research papers. 69. Online moderation, monitoring and managing online communities or discussion forums. 70. Email marketing campaigns, creating and managing email campaigns for businesses. 71. Event promotion, marketing and promoting events through various channels to attract attendees. 72 medical coding, assigning alphanumeric codes to medical diagnoses and procedures for billing and documentation. 73 language instruction for specific purposes, teaching languages tailored to specific industries or professions. 74 virtual reality, VR, training simulations, developing virtual reality training programs for specific skills or industries. 75 resume editing, reviewing and improving resumes for job seekers. 76 video game testing, testing and providing feedback on video games before their release. 77 content localization, adapting and translating content to suit specific regions or cultural contexts. 78 newsletter writing, creating engaging and informative newsletters for businesses or organizations. 79 online moderation, monitoring and enforcing rules and guidelines in online communities or platforms. 80 personal shopping, assisting individuals in finding and purchasing desired items or gifts. 81 foreign language voiceover, recording voiceovers in languages other than your native language. 82 sales funnel creation, developing sales funnels to guide potential customers through the buying process. 83 financial analysis, analyzing financial data and providing insights for businesses or investors. 84 language teaching materials creation, developing educational materials for language learning purposes. 85 social media account management, managing and growing social media accounts for individuals or businesses. 86 technical writing, creating instructional manuals, user guides, or documentation for technical products or processes. 87 event decoration, designing and decorating venues for events, such as weddings, parties, or conferences. 88 website maintenance, updating and managing content, plugins, and security for websites. 89 logo animation, creating animated versions of logos for use in videos or promotional materials. 90 social media contest management, organizing and managing contests or giveaways on social media platforms. 91 language conversation practice, offering conversation practice sessions for language learners. 92 presentation design, creating visually appealing and impactful presentations for business or academic purposes. 93 online community management, moderating and engaging with online communities to foster positive interactions. 94 virtual reality, VR, product visualization, creating virtual models and demonstrations of products for marketing purposes. 95 language proficiency testing, conducting language proficiency assessments for individuals or organizations. 96 video game design, developing game concepts, mechanics, and levels for video games. 97 photo retouching, enhancing and editing photographs for aesthetic or commercial purposes. 98 data visualization, creating visually appealing and informative representations of data. 99 content marketing strategy, developing strategies to attract and engage audiences through valuable content. 100 app store optimization, ASO optimizing mobile app listings to improve visibility and downloads. 101 podcast transcription, transcribing podcast episodes for accessibility or reference purposes. 102 online language course creation, designing and producing comprehensive language courses for online platforms. 103 market trend analysis, analyzing market trends and providing insights for businesses or investors. 104 user interface, UI, design, designing intuitive and visually appealing interfaces for websites or applications. 105 language voice coaching, providing coaching and training for voice actors or individuals looking to improve their voice skills. 106 virtual reality, VR, art creation, creating virtual reality artwork and immersive experiences. 107 influencer marketing campaign management, planning and executing influencer marketing campaigns for brands. 108 audio editing and mastering, editing and improving audio quality for podcasts, music, or other audio projects. 109 email management, organizing and managing email correspondence and inbox organization for individuals or businesses. 110 health and wellness coaching, providing guidance and support in areas such as fitness, nutrition, or stress management. 111 online reputation monitoring, monitoring and managing online reputation for individuals or businesses. 112 script writing, writing scripts for videos, commercials, films, or other media projects. 113 data mining, extracting and analyzing large volumes of data to uncover patterns or insights. 114 language subtitling, creating subtitles or closed captions for videos in different languages. 115 virtual reality, VR, therapy applications, developing virtual reality applications for therapeutic purposes. 116 custom clothing or accessory design, creating unique, personalized clothing or accessory designs. 117 travel blogging, sharing travel experiences, tips, and recommendations through a blog or online platform. 118 cryptocurrency trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies to generate profits. 119 video game level design, creating game levels, challenges, and puzzles for video games. 120 environmental consulting, providing advice and guidance on environmental sustainability and conservation. 121 whiteboard animation, creating animated videos using whiteboard style illustrations and storytelling. 122 online language exam preparation, assisting individuals in preparing for language proficiency exams. 123 podcast hosting, hosting and managing podcast episodes on hosting platforms. 124 virtual reality, VR, marketing experiences, developing immersive marketing experiences using virtual reality technology. 125 mobile app localization, adapting and translating mobile apps for specific regions or languages. 126 online event hosting, organizing and hosting virtual events, such as webinars or online conferences. 127 email newsletter management, creating, curating, and distributing email newsletters for businesses or organizations. 128 environmental impact assessment, assessing the environmental effects of projects or initiatives. 129 social media analytics, analyzing and interpreting social media data to measure performance and inform strategies. 130 cryptocurrency consulting, providing guidance and advice on cryptocurrency investments and strategies. 131 video game character design, creating and designing characters for video games. 132 language teaching through immersion, providing language instruction through immersive experiences or study abroad programs. 133 presentation skills coaching, helping individuals improve their public speaking and presentation skills. 134 ebook formatting and design, formatting and designing ebooks for publication and distribution. 135 online reputation repair, assisting individuals or businesses in restoring and improving their online reputation. 136 virtual reality, VR, engineering simulations, developing virtual reality simulations for engineering and technical training. 137 remote IT support, providing technical assistance and troubleshooting for computer systems and software remotely. 138 language accent coaching, helping individuals reduce or modify accents in a target language. 139 online meditation or mindfulness instruction, guiding individuals in meditation or mindfulness practices through online sessions. 140 virtual reality, VR, music experiences, creating immersive music experiences using virtual reality technology. 141 public relations, PR, services, managing public relations strategies and media relations for businesses or individuals. 142 social media influencer management, managing relationships and collaborations with social media influencers on behalf of brands. 143 online language club or conversation group facilitation, organizing and facilitating online language clubs or conversation groups. 144 virtual reality, VR, architectural design, creating virtual architectural designs and walkthroughs. 145 online legal consultation, providing legal advice and consultation through online platforms or video conferencing. 146 chatbot development, designing and building chatbot applications for automated customer support or interactions. 147 SEO content writing, creating search engine optimized content to improve website visibility and ranking. 148 virtual reality, VR, educational applications, developing educational applications and simulations using virtual reality technology. 149 mobile app beta testing, testing and providing feedback on mobile apps before their official release. 150 language cultural consulting, providing cultural insights and guidance for effective communication in different languages. 151 professional organizing, assisting individuals or businesses in organizing their physical spaces, workflows, or systems. 152 virtual reality, VR, sports training, creating virtual reality training programs for athletes and sports teams. 153 social media listening, monitoring and analyzing social media conversations and sentiment for brands or organizations. 154 online language resource creation, developing educational resources, worksheets, or materials for language learning. 155 website accessibility auditing, assessing and improving website accessibility for individuals with disabilities. 156 virtual reality, VR, tourism experiences, creating virtual reality experiences for tourism and travel purposes. 157 online art instruction, providing art lessons and guidance through online platforms or video tutorials. 158 virtual reality, VR, storytelling, creating immersive storytelling experiences using virtual reality technology. 159 customer support chat agent, providing customer support and assistance through chat or messaging platforms. 160 social media video production, creating and producing video content optimized for social media platforms. 161 online music lessons, providing instrumental or vocal music instruction through online platforms. 162 virtual reality, VR, therapy sessions, conducting therapy sessions using virtual reality technology. 163 online genealogy research, assisting individuals in tracing their family history and genealogy through online research. 164 sustainability consulting, providing guidance and strategies for businesses or organizations to adopt sustainable practices. 165 data cleansing, cleaning and organizing large data sets to ensure accuracy and integrity. 166 virtual reality, VR, fashion experiences, creating immersive fashion experiences using virtual reality technology. 167 online coding bootcamps, offering intensive coding and programming courses through online platforms. 168 language blog writing, creating informative and engaging blog content related to language learning and linguistics. 169 online event ticketing, providing ticketing services for online events and virtual conferences. 170 video game sound design, creating and editing sound effects and audio for video games. 171 voiceover localization, providing voiceover services in different languages for localization purposes. 172 online career coaching, assisting individuals in career planning, job search strategies, and professional development. 173 virtual reality, VR, historical reconstructions, creating virtual reality experiences that reconstruct historical events or locations. 174 online language proficiency testing, conducting online language proficiency tests for educational or recruitment purposes. 175 medical billing and coding, assigning codes and processing medical bills for healthcare providers. 176 virtual reality, VR, journalism, creating immersive journalism experiences using virtual reality technology. 177 mobile app user testing, conducting usability testing and gathering user feedback on mobile applications. 178 language app development, designing and developing language learning applications for mobile devices. 179 online nutrition coaching, providing personalized nutrition plans and guidance through online consultations. 180 virtual reality, VR, fashion design, creating virtual reality experiences for fashion design and modeling. 181 online focus groups, facilitating and moderating online focus group discussions for market research. 182 language game development, creating educational language games and interactive experiences. 183 virtual reality, VR, scientific visualization, creating virtual reality visualizations for scientific research and data. 184 online wedding planning, assisting couples in planning and organizing their weddings through online consultations. 185 video game concept art, creating visual concepts and artwork for video game development. 186 language pronunciation coaching, helping individuals improve their pronunciation and speaking skills in a target language. 187 online personal styling, providing fashion advice and styling recommendations through online consultations. 188 virtual reality, VR, employee training, developing virtual reality training programs for employee onboarding and skill development. 189 online math tutoring, providing math instruction and assistance through online platforms. 190 virtual reality, VR, therapy for phobias, using virtual reality technology to treat and alleviate phobias. 191 online coding challenges, creating coding challenges and competitions for skill development and recruitment purposes. 192 language content creation, creating written or multimedia content in different languages. 193 virtual reality, VR, mindfulness experiences, creating immersive mindfulness and relaxation experiences using virtual reality technology. 194 online wedding photography, capturing and editing wedding photographs remotely for couples. 195 voice acting for animations, providing voiceovers and character voices for animated videos or films. 196 online language exchange facilitation, organizing and facilitating language exchange sessions between language learners. 197 virtual reality, VR,